drive shaft or something is kind of shifting to the side a little bit. So pick up the speed at like 70 miles, 60 miles, starts kind of shaking. What's up?
I guess we got to pull this side forward. I wonder, do we have enough to pull it forward?
That's what I was telling you. It needs to go that way.
Huh?
You were saying going the other way.
What?
I said I thought that's what I was saying.
What? It needs to go this way, right?
Oh, never mind. That's not what I was saying, but I don't know.
And then it's some nasty vibration.
It is sitting. I think it's sitting like this. He says it's sitting like this.
I don't think we got enough. I don't think we have enough
So
adjustment in
we
it.
got to do some adjusting on this or this to try to figure it out. I think we're gonna extend these so that way the drive shaft will get straightened out. This is Pop's theory. It's great.
It can go a little bit more, but it's a lot straighter.
Now I gotta do a road test. Alright, so we got the bolts tightened back down. Those parts. Trying to get the drive shaft lined up.
Test drive.
Oh, this is the sunroof, though. Go for the test ride, see if it has that shakiness to it once you get up to speed. Now you're about to have the Austin Powers this mug out of here. What are you doing? Keep coming back some more. Jack. think we're gonna put a train horn on it. We're just doing a bunch of random, just running some 0 gauge for the amps, fixing the seat bolts, taking this out of here. We're gonna put carpet in next. So yeah, just random stuff. What you think, man? You want the train horn or what?
Let's roll. Let's do it.
Yeah, figure out where we're gonna put it. You want to mount this right here,
That's fine.
and then the horn under. Figure out where we're gonna mount this thing at. Pretty massive. Probably good. Hold this one straight. Yeah. Getting that slag everywhere, man. Whoa. Got the train horn bolted in. Now to run the air line to the tank. Run the solenoid ground inside the truck for the switch, and then power up to the compressor, from the compressor to the positive battery, and then the negative from the compressor to the negative. And we got juice. Stay tuned for the sound test.
You know what size that is? That's just a regular airline fitting that you could buy.
All right, so we had an issue with the fitting, and take mine. Now we're gonna test it out.
That's what good sons do.
Took my fuse, took my fitting. Come on, man.
That's like hitting the horn on something.
He barely touched it. Hit that mug a couple times. Hold it. What you think? Should I run this? What is that?
Just to the windows.
How far does it need to go over? Does it reach all the way? Like, you got some zip ties over there? Or?
I got 1 or 2 more.
Cause there's one right here. No, just we might have had some more slack.
Need some more?
Well, I'm just trying to think if we should have went over so that way it can go across and be like straight.
Really like straight out the way.
Yeah.
But shoot, that's gonna take more than a notion.
Yeah, I know. So we probably won't do
You
that.
would have to cut these and reconnect them and all that.
So we ain't gonna do that.
I think the brown wires to the lockup
These
the
gauges?
transmission.
You think these gauges can go over the top here?
It can.
Will it fit through there?
Yeah. Just to one side. do it, you have to pull these bolts out, lift up on it.
It's only that one, ain't it?
I think that one in there too.
No, that one's not.
Is that ain't going.
Is it on the left though? Or will it mess up something?
No. It can't go over, but it can go through that. Like that. You wanna go behind that?
Let me put that boy in there. Pieced up. Everything is hand tightened in here so we can take it apart when we need to.
It definitely is hand tightened.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
I guess it'd be better just to make sure that side goes back for the most part, because the dash is gonna be there anyway. So just make sure that part goes towards that corner. Yeah. We'll figure it out later.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. What's up? Like,
Trying to clean these wires up. Get all this tightened up. For now, just temporarily. Y'all seen the other videos. It looks super bad. I'm just trying to dress it up a little bit. Flip it back.
we're trying to put this
Flip it back. I'm just trying to get some footage. So we got everything taken out of here. Cleaned it up. Cleaned up those wires a little bit, not much. It was better than it did. So we're gonna do this section first, all the way over here. Spray the section of the carpet, and then just work our way all the way down to up here. Don't want to spray too much glue, get out of control. No! We don't want it to yet. Be a mess. Stay tuned. Go ahead, put them to work. Be trying to come over here, get all this free work done.
free. You got different definition of free.
Ha! I'm gonna tell you, boy.
Free must mean something else.
Glue down. All right, that carpet laying down good, boy. Yes, sir. Laying down real nice. We're just working our way down. Slowly but surely. So stay tuned. All right, got the carpet all the way in. Just gotta trim the edges. Look at that. Yes, sir. Just trim it around the edges, around here. Put all the trim back, put the seats back, and we'll check it out. Got it nice and trimmed up right here. We're having trouble because I don't have a fresh razor blade. So we're getting it done slowly but surely. But this looks good. Like factory. All right, got the bolts that we welded in there. Got those cut out. Added the speaker box back in. Now, about to add the seats, which those need to get wrapped ASAP. Trying to get some red. Get them done this red. Like I said, I don't do stitching, so we're gonna have to find somebody. But I ain't gonna lie, it's looking pretty good. Lay down, pretty smooth. Stretched out real nice. Appreciate you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it.
Oh, daddy.
2 train horn installs today. Got buddy right here. Just got a train horn installed. Pops got his installed. Oh, they already playing. Is it up?
We got the horn though.
Just get a little bit further away from my house. Dad hitting the horn. He already had the lights installed. I didn't do those. Number 2.